Welcome back guys. Now I was looking for a sofa bed for my office room, and while I was searching online I caught my eye upon this small double sofa bed called Haru. The size, colour, quality and the function from a sofa to a bed is so simple that got me to purchase this from a company called Made. Inside you will get an Allen key, a bunch of screws and 4 legs. There's no need for a drill for this job as you will simply tie the screws. You will also receive instructions. It's a simple and straight guide on how to assemble your Haru sofa bed. Well, once you got the sofa out of the box, attach the legs at the back slots that are given and make sure the legs are pointing outwards like this. Fold up the sofa and you should have it like this. You will also receive 2 comfy cushions. I must say that the quality is there. To fold it out as a bed, unzip the 2 zippers on each side and inside is a cushion. Take that out and lift up the leg. Place the cushions back in and fold outwards. At the back of the backrest there are 2 legs also. Slot them out too. Place the backrest in the position you want using the mechanism. To lay it flat down, push in the backrest forward until you hear a clicking sound. To bring it back up as a backrest, slowly lift it up. Overall, the size, colour and quality is perfect for me, as it makes it easier for me if family or guests like to sleep over too. For a 6-foot guy like me, I can easily fit on this small double bed. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.